Find each missing factor. So we had to figure out what was in the blank, and we had to make sure that they were all hundredths. Because I'm writing with this, I'm going to use the blank bar as a fraction bar. Oh, that didn't work. So each one should be 100. So 10 plus what would get you 30? Well, that's easy. 10 plus 20. So 20 hundredths. For B, I had to have 100 in the denominator, but this is different. So to help me out, I'm going to add a 0 to this one. So what plus 20 would get me 80? That would be 60. So that one should be 60 hundredths. Same case here. We don't have the same denominator, so we have to make them the same denominator. So 70 plus what would equal 94? Now that one's tricky. So I'm going to do on the side 94, and I'm going to minus 70 because that's how many I know I have. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, whoops, 2. So we got 24 hundredths. I'm going to add a 0 here. So I have 9 hundredths plus what equals 80 hundredths. So if I do 80 minus 9, that would get me 71 hundredths. Now they're not the same, so I'm going to make the 4 tenths into hundredths. 16 plus 40 hundredths. I'm going to write 40 plus 16 to help me out. I might not be able to do that in my head. 6, 5, that is 56 hundredths. And then the last one, we have 172 hundredths is equivalent or equal to what plus 100 or 14 hundredths. So I am going to take 172 and I'm going to subtract 140 to figure out how many more I need. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So I need 32 100ths.